Hey there viewers, The Bank Insider here. Welcome to this easy-to-follow tutorial on how to make an international payment using the Nedbank Money App. In this video, you will learn how to make an international payment from the comfort of your home or from anywhere without having to visit the bank. If you're new to our channel, this is your go-to place for insider tips on using fintech applications in South Africa. Before we get started, ensure that you have the latest Nedbank Money App installed on your device. Step 1. Open the International Payments menu. After logging in to the Nedbank Money App, tap Transact. Next, select Pay. Then tap International Payments. After that, select Pay ZAR. Step 2. Choose the account you want to pay from. Select the account you want to pay from, then tap Next at the bottom center of the screen. Step 3. Select the type of recipient. On the next screen, choose whether you want to pay an individual or a business account. For this tutorial, we are going to select business. Then select the country where the business is operating. Next, choose the bank you are paying into and then select the currency being transferred. Step 4. Enter the recipient details. Now enter the account number you are paying into. Then enter the business name and business address details. After you have entered all the correct details, tap Next. Step 5. Add the payment reason. On the next screen, select the reason for this payment. Then choose the relevant payment code. After that, confirm the reason by ticking the boxes next to the SARB declaration and the terms and conditions after reading them carefully. Then tap Save and Next at the bottom center of the screen. Step 6. Enter the payment amount. Now enter the amount you want to pay. Then enter the reference you want to appear on your statement. After that, enter the reference the receiver will see so they can identify the payment on their side. Once everything is correct, tap Next. Step 7. Review and confirm. This is your final step. Review the quotation and check all the payment details carefully. If everything looks correct, tap Accept at the bottom center of the screen. Then accept the incoming approval message. After approving the request, tap Done. You did it! You have successfully made an international payment. The payment will be released from your account within a few minutes or within 2 business days, provided there are no issues. You can also track the progress of your payment under International Payments History. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give it a like, share, and subscribe for more user-friendly guides. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified of our next video. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Until next time, this is the Bank Insider signing off.